What's up guys, this is Rosie Chicks, and for today's video, we are going to answer the question how to fill up tax information in Google Adsense 2021. Let's go! The first step is sign in Google Adsense account. So all we have to do is to type or encode Google Adsense login like this. So we have to sign in, then after signing in, this will appear. We have to encode our Google AdSense account and of course our password, and then hit next. Then we may proceed to the Manage Tax Information as being notified in our screen or the payment section. Under the payment section, you will see these terms, add tax information. Now to continue, please verify it's you. So we have to verify that it is us who are using this platform or this screen. Now, you will be asked what type of account is your name. So, in this case, in order for you to be identified, you are going to click individual. After clicking individual, you are going to hit next. Are you a citizen of or resident of the United States? No, because I live here in the Philippines. Now, select WH tax form type. Based on your previously selected answer, W8BEN form is needed. This form is commonly used by non-US and used by non-US business entity. So we are going to use non-US individual W8BEN. Then hit start the form. After clicking start, it will drive you to a next page or the next part, which is tax identity. Now you're going to identify your name and then the country of this citizenship. So let us choose the country where I belong. This is Philippines. There it is, Philippines. Taxpayer identification number. Now I am going to get my TIN or tax identification number. Alright, so make it clear that you have to use the correct tax identification number. Then after that, proceed with the permanent resident address. Now, check the permanent resident address is a PO box or in care of address. Next, country is the Philippines. On the address line, first, write your specific address, which is the street, or you may start with the number of your number of your house, the street, subdivision or village. Then on the address line 2, you may state there your barangay. So in my case, I live in San Francisco or Barangay San Francisco. And then the city where you live. So I am living here in San Pablo City. Now after typing your address, you may also encode your postal code and of course the province where you are located. Now mailing address, check it and then choose next. Are you claiming reduced rate or withholding under a tax treaty? That is the next question. So you are going to answer here the answer. Yes, you are claiming. You are claiming a tax declaration. And now, you're going to choose which country you are in. Resident of country and then Philippines. In this case, we will see the special rates and condition are under Article 8 and Paragraph 1, choose 0% reduced rate for any exemption. Reason meets the term of the treaty article as a tax representative of the country identified in the tax identity. Next, motion picture and TV or YouTube, Google Play, choose Article 13, Paragraph 2A, 15% reduced rate. For other copy, you have to choose Article 13, Paragraph 2A, 15% reduced rate. So what's the reason? So our reason is it meets required terms of the treaty and doesn't have permanent establishment in the U.S. So we do not have any establishment in the U.S. and then hit next. Now, after this, we can see the document or we can have the document preview. Now, there are forms in this. Now, we can choose or check, I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax document to the best of my knowledge. Then after that, we can also preview the whole form like this. It will lead us to another tab showing the complete set of the form or complete information in the form and the data included there. Then after that, hit next. For number 5, item number 5 shows under penalties of perjury, we are declaring that I have examined or we have examined the information in this form to the best of our knowledge. Just type our full name as our signature. After doing so, this will appear. Yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and I am completing this form. Then, what is the status or change affidavit? On this part, we have to be careful in clicking which answer must be produced. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax any reserve for Google within us? So the answer is no and we have to certify it. Are you providing tax information for a new existing payment? For if you are not yet receiving payment from Google AdSense, you have to check the first one. But if you already received your first payment from Google AdSense, you have to click the second one. Because I have received the first payment, so I chose the second one. And then after checking this, we have to click or we have to choose submit. Alright, so this would appear, manage tax information. This is the summary of what we have encoded. This is what we accomplished. The status is approved and then submitted today or the date and submitted by yours truly. That's it. That's the very simple and very easy steps in filling up the form for Google AdSense tax information. All right, for us to know the success of this task, we may see or we may look at our Gmail to confirm that our tax has been approved. So on this page, the tax has been approved and it's successfully done. Congratulations! I hope that you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. And if you're not yet subscribing, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for our next video. Goodbye everyone. See you next time.